In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new conversation thread in Basecamp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to write, and how to make sure the right people are notified, so your team stays aligned and nothing slips through the cracks. First, open Basecamp, either in your web browser or through the Basecamp app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account for your organization or team. If you use multiple accounts or workspaces, double-check that you're in the one where the project actually lives, so your message ends up in the right place. Next, navigate to the specific project where you want to start a new discussion. From the Basecamp home screen, you'll usually see a list of all your projects or teams. Click or tap on the project that your conversation relates to. It's helpful to pause for a moment here and confirm that the project name and description match what you're expecting, especially if your company has several similar projects. Once you're on the main project screen, look for the option to post a new message or start a new discussion. Depending on your Basecamp version and setup, this might be called Messages, Campfire, or simply Discussions. Inside that area, you'll see a button or link to create something new, such as New Message or Post a Message. Go ahead and select that option to open the message editor. Now, type your message. Start with a clear, descriptive title that makes it easy for others to understand what the thread is about at a glance. In the body, explain the context, what you need from your teammates, and any relevant details or deadlines. The more specific you are, the easier it will be for people to respond usefully. Before you post, look for the notification or Who Should Be Notified section. Here, you can choose which people or groups should be alerted about this new thread. Select only the folks who truly need to be involved to keep notifications focused and avoid overwhelming the team. Finally, when your message looks good and your notification settings are in place, click the button to post it. This creates a new, standalone discussion thread inside that project. Your teammates can now reply, ask questions, and keep the entire conversation organized in one central place.